Alright guys, we tried to swim on the sea with this GoPro to test testing if it is waterproof. According to the video, this is a waterproof, and so let's see. Okay guys, but we need to secure, of course we need to secure by the rope, so that just for in case we cannot swim, we drag this one back. Yeah, just put tie like this. Yes, like this guys, and then we're gonna tie up here on our hands, so it's good. Dito tayo sa dagat. We are here in the sea. We're trying this GoPro. This is a waterproof according to the videos that I very cold guys. Okay, we take only gini. Yo. Yes, guys, now we're finished swimming. So we are here. Our friend from, where are you from, bro?
From Uganda.
Uganda. I want this. I see that movie Uganda.
Yeah. So,
Nice one. Shout out from Uganda.
shout out from Uganda, representing once again second person.
Are you?
Alongside my friend here.
What is your name, bro?
Kenny is my name.
Oh,
Kenny.
Kenny. I'm
Call me
Edgar.
Kenny. Edgar? Nice
Edgar,
to meet
yeah,
you.
from Philippines, yeah.
From Philippines?
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, nice to meet you, brother.
Okay.
NANI?
Bye.
See you in the next part, yeah?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Subscribe my channel.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, now we are finished swimming. We are finished the beach. Now we are going home. So see you there in the home. Bye bye. Let's go.
Yang mulai na.
Pass this way. Another way. you can see the roads. Okay there. Oh, fine, but there. Just like this, a lot of crossing, you must be careful. That car, somebody passed and suddenly show up in your front. So, always careful. Riding a bike. Ito guys yung mga daanan dito. Life in Dubai. Pag nakabike ka, naka-e-bike, yan. Ito dadaan natin. Wow, nice car. Good in Dubai, because we make like this, making path for biker, for e-bike. So you need to pass this one. You see the line here? That is for the bike, that is for e-bike. Opa. Just oil. See that guys, that's the mosque, the old mosque here in Dubai. How many years now I'm here in Dubai? Almost 15 years. Every day I'm riding like this on an e-bike, and this bike. But guys, don't forget to fall when crossing every road, every go. I reach my destination on this battery, 2 bars. Oh, no more cars. Go, go, go. Yes. Left and right. Just like this. Go, go, go. Pew, pew, pew. Ah. What the? Ah. Salute, sir. Salute to sir. But sorry guys, I did not walk there when I passed that pedestrian because I in a hurry. My battery is already low, but if I walk, just little bit walk. See? If I did not brake, I hit the box. Tag, 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 tag. Sir, mahulog wallet mo. Hoy. Bahala siya. Shout out to Kuya Bong, Cargo Express, hari ng padala. Kung gusto nyo magpadala, dito lang kayo kay ano, kay Kuya Bong, RA Express Cargo. Shout out Kuya Bong.
Naka-live ka na?
Live.
Sana. Picturean mo para ano?
Ah, wala nang picture. Ayan oh.
Ayun
Klaro na
na.
yan oh. Guys, if you want to send your what is that? Oo.
Oh, yun, Tagalogin mo na.
Baka may magpadala sa ano sa India.
Wala eh.
Mga gusto magpadala.
Oh, ito yung contact
Express,
number.
oo. Contact number ha. Ayan ha, hotline. Yan.
Hindi, wala
yan,
yung
yan.
yung mobile number ko.
Di bali na. Mag-PM lang kayo sa akin. Bibigay ko yung number niya. May number ako. Door to door yan. Express cargo service all over the Philippines.
Pag marami akong box, tawagan kita para pag nag-ano ka.
Ayun guys ha, pag nagpadala kayo guys, kay Kuya Bong na kayo. Express cargo, RE. Yup. Thank you. Ang bait ni Kuya. Wah. Dito na tayo sa Lungga. I already getting my operation. Oh, don't forget to subscribe my channel and my YouTube channel and follow on the Facebook. Sa mga nagkakagusto sa ano ko, mag-comment lang kayo. Salamat guys, support sa page ko pala. No.
Tuyo siya? Ano siya? Na-spin? Tapos na.
Still recording. E-bike shutdown. Okay. Kahit e-bike, may voice command. Saan ka pa? GoPro, stop recording.
NANI?!